This 5-minute solution will show you how to access Facebook Marketplace. To access or use the Facebook Marketplace, first of all, you have to add the Facebook Marketplace option to this navigation bar at the bottom. To do that, tap on your menu, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings. Tap on Navigation bar. Tap on Customize the bar. And here you have to add, and now you have to add the marketplace to your navigation bar. So tap on Hidden and select Pin, and the marketplace will add here. Now to access the marketplace, all you have to need just open your Facebook app and tap on this marketplace icon, and you will jump into Facebook Marketplace. To search for any specific product, tap on this search icon and now type the product name. So this is how you will be able to use or access Facebook Marketplace. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.